can see the presentation.
Yeah,
I think you have practiced all the questions of the first chapter, right? Number system.
yeah.
Very good. So is there any doubt in that one?
No, sir.
Okay. It means we can continue our the next chapter, na ratio and proportion.
Yeah,
Okay. Did you make the notes for the topics which we learned yesterday in ratio? The ratio, its type, and the other things.
yeah, yeah. I wrote that.
But you didn't send me, so that's why I thought, uh,
Oh,
okay, no problem. After the class, please send me, है ना? After noting down today's work, together with it, please send me for yesterday also. Okay. Now let's see here. There are some basic points which we have to learn here, or you can say कि it is also a trick. Suppose the value of a is to b is x is to y, okay, and b is to c is equal to p is to q. Then if it will ask for a is to b is to c, at this time the trick is, let's see here, a is to b, here we will write, okay, and then we will write b is to c like this, okay. So in this way, here we will put the value, it is x is to y, and below it, as here it is repeating na, the b is repeating in both, right? So its value we will write here, okay, below it will be p is to q, okay. Now after this, here we will fill it, okay, as here a it is y, and here there is nothing, right? It is empty. So we will write the value which is in the left side, okay, or which is beside it. So as here it is y, so here we will write y, and in this blank space, as here beside it it is p, so here we will write p. Now after this we will write it as p. So it will be x p. Here we will multiply it. Xp is to yp is to yq. So the value of a is to b is to c will be, we can say that a is to b is to c will be xp is to yp is to yq. Okay, in this way we will find it. Is it clear or any doubt? If you want to note down it, you can note down. This was the explanation for it, okay. Or if you want to see the question based on it, then just wait a minute, okay. Till that, please note down it. See, then
sir, 1 second.
okay, okay, no problem. Okay, suppose if a is to b is equal to 2 is to 3 and b is to c is equal to 4 is to 5. Find A is to B is to C. Okay. Can you try it by yourself? First try it by yourself, then I will explain it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
8 is to 12 is to 15. Okay. Let me check it. Okay, because I give this question by myself. Here we will write like this. Okay. So it will be 2 is to 3 and here 4 is to 5. Okay. Here we will write 3 and here we will write 4. So 2, 4, 8 is to 12 is to 15. Very good. It will be 8 is to 12 is to 15. Okay. Let's try one more question. If A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4, B is to C is equal to 5 is to 7, and C is to D is equal to 3 is to 5. Okay. Then find A is to B is to C is to D. Just try this one. Okay. A is to B is 3 is to 4. B is to C is 5 is to 7. C is to D is B is to 5. You have to find A is to B is to C is to D. First try it by yourself, then I will explain it. Okay. 45
60
is to
is to
yes.
84 is to 140.
Very good, Shraddha. It's correct. Let's see here. Wait a minute. Yes. As here we will write A is to B. Then here in the next we will write B is to C. And for the next we will write C is to D. Okay. So here we will write in the blank space. It will depend on the right or the left one. Okay. As here it will be write B. Again here B. Here it's C. Here it's B. Okay. Here C. And here also C. According to it, we will put the value. You can directly do it. Okay. Instead of doing this one, you can directly do this one. Okay. With the value. So 5 is to 7 and here 3 is to 5. Here it will be 4 is to 4 is to 7, 5. Here it's 3. Here it's 3. Now just you have to multiply it. Okay. 3, 3 and 9. 9 5s are 45 is to 4 9 ja 4 4 5s are 20 23 60. Okay. Then 4 7 ja 28 28 into 3 it will be 84. And then here it will be 4 7s are 28 28 into 5 it will be 140. So this will be the answer. Okay. In this way you have to do it. Is it clear or any doubt?
No, sir.
Hmm. See here, the another concepts are given. Uh, as it is saying, if a quantity x divide in the ratio A is to B is to C, okay? If x is divided into A is to B is to C, means suppose 3 in 3 parts, okay? So here the first part, if we have to find the first part, okay? First part, then we can do it like this. If we will add A plus B plus C, it will be x. It will give x. Here we have to find the value of A. Just we have to multiply it. Okay, nothing more, just we have to multiply it. X into A divided by A plus B plus C. Like this we can find the first part. Okay. Similarly we can do for the second one. When we will do the questions, you can easily understand it, the concepts behind it. Okay. For the second part, similarly you can do. as here a plus b plus c, it will give x because x is divided into three parts a, b and c. So when we will add all these three parts, ultimately we will get the x, right? And here we have to find if a plus b plus c is equal to x, then b will be equal to, so here just we have to do the cross multiplication, nothing more. Okay, so it will be b into x by a plus b plus c, that's all. Similarly we can do for c, the third part. A plus b plus c gives x, so what will be the value of c? So here similarly we will do c into x by a plus b plus c. Okay, is it clear or any doubt? Yes, tell me.
Sir, could you explain again?
See here, suppose a value is divided into three equal parts. Okay, a value is divided into three equal parts and we have to find any one of them part. Okay, either the first part, second part or third part. So just here we have to do कि a plus b plus c, this three part gives x, right? Because x divided into in these three parts. Okay, so here we can say that na ki when we will add all these three parts, we will get the initial value, right? Or the total value. So what will be the value of the one part? Either it is a or b or c. So here we have to just do the cross multiplication. Okay, it's trig. Okay, so here it will be a into x, and in divide it will be a plus b plus c, like this. Similarly you have to do for b and the c. Is it clear or any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check a question. Okay, if there will be any question, then we can do it, and after that your concept will be more clear. Okay, let me 3 years rather. The question is, write the question. The sum of three numbers is the sum of three number is the sum of three numbers is 105. Okay, the sum of three numbers is 105, full stop. If the ratio between the first and the second number be, if the ratio between the first and second be 2 is to 3, 2 is to 3. Okay, if the ratio between the first and second be 2 is to 3, and that between the second and third, and that between the second and third be 4 is to 5, be 4 is to 5, then find the second number, find the second number. Okay, see here how we will do it. Okay, first number, second number and third number. Okay, ratio of first and second is 2 is to 3, right? And the ratio of 4 is to 5, second is to third is 4 is to 5. Okay, is
Yeah.
that clear? So this was given. Now in the same way we will do it, right? 2 is to 3 and 4 is to 5 it is given, right? Here we will write 3 and here we will write 4. I can do this one here, but you may get confused, that's why I am doing it separately. Okay, by creating one more line. Okay, so it was 2 is to 3 and 4 is to 5. Okay, as we already done in the blank space we have to do as per the right or the left number. Okay. So it will be here 3 and here it will be 4. Now 2, 4, 8. 3 into 4, 12. And 3 into 5, 15. Right? Is it clear now? As here in the first it is given that the sum of the three number is 105. It's mean here all the three number are in ratio, right? So when we will take the x, so we can say that 8x plus 12x plus 15x, it will be equal to 105, right? And then after that we will find the value of x, and then we have to find the value of second number, means we will do 12x, it's mean 12 into that number, so that we will get the value or the answer, right? But it will take too much time. Okay, so here we will directly do by the trick, here we will add all these numbers. Okay, so we will get, after adding we will get 35, right? And the value of 35 is equal to 105. You can say that it will be 35x. When you will write here 8x, 12x, 15x, so you will get 35x and it will be equal to 105. Yes?
Sir,
Yes, Radha?
sir, your voice is breaking a lot.
Okay, let me check it.
Sir,
Okay, let's see here. So is there any doubt till here? The value of 35 will be equal to 105, right? So here we have to find the second number, na? Then it's mean we have to find the value of 12. Okay. So simply here we will cross multiply it and it will be 12 into 105 divided by 35. Okay. Is it clear or any doubt?
sir, we can also do like that 8x plus 12x plus.
Yes. Yeah, you can do it like this, but it will take more time, na?
Yeah.
It will take more time, so that's why I didn't write here the x and I am doing it directly. So when we will do it like this, ki 35x is equal to 105, and after that we have to solve it, है ना? 105 divided by 35, it gives the value of x, right? And this value we have to multiply it by 12. So this one I am doing directly here. Okay, here by this method.
Got it.
Okay, so this is the just short trick. Okay, and short trick is directly or indirectly is based on the concept. So first you have to clear the concept, then ultimately you will get the trick. Okay, and in this way you have to not wrote the tricks. Ultimately you can get the trick and you can solve the questions by yourself also. Okay, so here it will be in 3 times and 12 into 3. 12 3 the 36. So our answer will be 36. That's all. Within 10 to 12 seconds we can get the answer. Within 10 to 12 seconds. Okay. When you will do more and more practice, then after the practice, within 10 to 12 seconds you can easily get the answer of this question. Okay. And in this way you have to solve the question. So I think you can get the concept of this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh. Okay, so if you want to note down, you can note down it. Hmm. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Now see here, point two points are given, important points based on the CUT focus. Okay, we have already discussed these 2 points. Okay, but you have to note down it in your fair copy as a notes. The first point said that ki ratio does not have any unit, right? So do not write any unit with the ratio. Okay, this one I have already discussed in the previous class ki the ratio is unitless. Okay, the second thing is कि the quantities representing a ratio and multiplying or dividing by a non-zero quantity, the ratio remains unchanged. Okay, it's mean कि when you will multiply or divide a ratio by any another non-zero number, by any non-zero quantity or number, then the value will be same. Okay, or it will remains unchanged. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to see the explanation for this point or the example?
Yeah, sir. Can you show an example?
Okay, see. When the ratio is 2 is to 3, okay? It's mean this can be written as 2 by 3, right? Right?
Yeah.
When you will multiply the both term by a non-zero number, suppose when you will multiply it by 4, you will get 2 4 ja 8 and 3 4 ja 12. It's mean it is 8 is to 12, right? But the value is same, it is same as of 2 is to 3. Why? Because when you will cut it or divide by the same number, by which number? So by 4. So when you will divide it by 4 in 2 times, and here it will be 3 times, so ultimately you will get the same number. This was the explanation for this statement. Okay, that if the quantity represent a ratio, suppose a quantity 2 apples and 3 bananas, it is represent in the ratio. Okay, are multiplied or divided by a non-zero number. See here, I am multiplying it by a non-zero number, right? Okay, so the value the ratio, the new ratio which we get, it's remain unchanged. Okay, its value will not change. Why? So here is the explanation. Okay, so if you want to note down, you can note down it. Otherwise, you have to note down it in your fair copy. Okay, after the class. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So these was the basic concepts of the ratio. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now let's see here the first example. I think you can solve this example, right? It's very easy. Find the simplest form of 52 is to 182, right? You have to find the simplest form of 52 is to 182. Okay, it's mean you have to just divide it by common factors, and you have to continue it till that step where you will there will be no any common factor between them. Okay, is it clear now? So simply you can see that
Yes.
this value is divisible by 2, and after that 4 also. Okay, for 16, 16, 16, 17, and 22. No, 4 is not the common factor. Sorry. Uh, 58, 48. So first we will try it by 2. Okay. If you can find any another common factor, you can do it. 48, 3. I think 13, right?
I think. Yeah.
Huh. Or if you will get confused, or if it will take too much time, then just try it by the smallest common factor. Okay, that is 2. So you will get it 2 2 ja 4, and 1 here, 2 6 ja 12, and then 2 9 ja 18, 2 1 ja 2. Okay, then by what number we will? Do it.
Uh,
13 है ना, as I told you, 13 1 जा 13, 13 2 जा 26 and 13 7 जा 91. So it will be 2 by 7. Okay, or the simplest form will be 2 is to 7. Is it clear? Okay.
yes, sir.
Next question, this one, please try it by yourself first. Okay. कि the list number that must be added to each term of the ratio 1 is to 4. Okay, 1 is to 4 to make it 3 is to 5 is. Here we have to find the least number that must be added to this ratio. Okay, that must be added to each term of the ratio 1 is to 4 to make it 3 is to 5. You have to find the number which we will add in the ratio 1 is to 4 so that this ratio will become 3 is to 5. Okay, just try it by yourself first. Okay. 3.5 na? Yes. Let's see here. Every question, okay? Please keep in mind, Shraddha, कि whenever you will do each and every question, whether you are doing examples question or exercise question of any chapter, you have to do by the short tricks, okay? Because it is the entrance competitive exam na, here you have to not show the steps or the anything. Okay, here you have to just select the correct option. Okay, and you will get the less time for each and every questions. Okay, so you have to do each and every question by short tricks. So suppose if there is question you are doing by yourself, or if you are solving the exercise questions by yourself, and in any question if you are doing it by the long method or the academic method, then it is wrong. Okay, or if you don't know how to solve that question by the short trick, then immediately you have to mark that question and you have to ask with me in the next class. Okay, or in the same class. Is it clear now? So always keep in mind कि each and every question you have to try it by the short tricks. As an example, कि as you have solved 33 questions in exercise of the first chapter, right? So I hope you have solved all 33 questions by the short trick. If not, then please select the questions which you have solved by the long method or by the academic method, and then please tell me. I will guide you. Okay, how you have to solve that question by the short trick. Is it clear now? Okay. Yes. Now let's see here. As it is 1 is to 4, this can be written as 1 by 4. Okay, we will suppose ki we are adding x in this two number, okay, 1 and 4, so that we will get the ratio 3 is to 5. Okay, so just here we add 1 plus x and here 4 plus x. It will be equal to 3 by 5. Just here you have to do the cross multiplication. So it will be 5 into 1 plus x like this, and 3 into 4 plus x. As here I am explaining, that's why I am mentioning this step. But you have to do it directly. Okay, no need to mention each and every step. You can skip as much step as you can do. Okay, so here it will be 5 plus 5x equal to 3 4s are 12 plus 3x. Similarly, here we will do, when this 3x will come in this side, left side, then 5x minus 3x, it will be 2x, and this 5 will go in the right hand side, so it will be 12 minus 5, it will be 7. So here x will be 7 by 2, it's mean 3.5. Very good, Sradha. Na? So the answer will be 3.5. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let's see the next question. This one we have already solved just before it. Okay, as it said that कि A, B and C have total of 4,600 rupees. 4,600 rupees. Okay, the ratio of the money between B and C, ratio between the ratio of the money between B and C is 3 is to 5. Okay, if the A share of A is share of A is 1,400, then find the difference between the share of B and C. You have to find the difference of the share of B and C. So can you find it? It's too easy and too simple. I'm repeating, A, B and C have total of 4,600 rupees. Okay, they distribute this amount. Okay, so the ratio of the money between B and C is 3 is to 5. If share of A is 1,400, then the difference between the then the find the difference between the share of B and C. Try it by yourself. 800 rupees. Very good, Shraddha, है ना? Yes. Similarly, you have to do all the questions within 4 and 5 seconds. Okay, very good. That's great. So, as here, 4,600 is the total amount, right? Means it is A plus B plus C. Here it is given A. For A, it is given, right? Which is 1,400. When we will subtract this two amount, ultimately we will get 3,200, right?
Yeah.
It's mean this is the value of B plus C, right? Or we can say that the ratio of B and C is 3 is to 5. It's mean 3 plus 5, which is equal to 8, and the value of 8 is given 3,200. Okay, 3,200. You can do it by the academic method, that is 3x plus 5x. So it will be 8x, then find the value of x and then subtract it by 5x minus 3x, 2x. है ना? Then multiply the value of x by 2, and in this way you will get it. Okay, but here we will do it by short trick. So 3 plus 5, it is x. As here you can see, it is 400 times, right? It is 400 times, and here the difference it of 2. So just we multiply it by 400, ultimately we will get 800 will be the answer. Too simple, right? Is it clear? So in this way you can solve each and every question,
Yeah.
है ना? Now let me check some more types of questions. Okay, some more types of question. Write a question, concept of ratio based on money. Okay, a bag contains an equal number of a bag contains equal number of 50 पैसे, 25 पैसे, 20 पैसे and 5 पैसे. A bag contain equal number of 50 पैसे, 25 पैसे, 20 पैसे and 5 पैसे coins respectively. It's mean कि suppose it is 10 coins of 50 paise, then it will be 10 coins of 25 paise, 20 coins of 10 coins of 20 paise and also 10 coins of 5 paise. Okay, because here it is given कि a bag contain equal number of these coins. Okay, after that, right, if the total amount is rupees 40, if the total amount is rupees 40, how many coins of each type are there? How many coins? How many coins of each type are there? How many coins of each type are there? Right? Okay.
1025 and 820 and 255. Sorry.
Sorry, I didn't understand, Shraddha. What are you saying?
Sir, there are 250 pieces.
Means 200 coins of 50 paise.
Yeah,
Okay.
and 1000 coins of 25.
No, no. Here it is saying कि the bag contain equal number of coins, na? Equal number of each coins. Equal number of 50 paise, 25 paise, 20 paise and 5 paise coins respectively. So it's mean if it is 200 coins of 50 paise, then it is also 200 coins of 25 paise, 200 coins of 20 paise and 200 coins of 5 paise. Okay. And here the sum of the money. Okay. If the total amount is rupees 40, it is not saying कि 50 paise makes 40 rupees, 25 paise makes 40 rupees. No, not like this, है ना? कि if suppose if it is 10 coins of 50 paise, 10 coins of 25 paise, 10 coins of 20 paise and 10 coins of 5 paise, then when you will add all these it will give 40 rupees. It will give 40 rupees. So you have to find the number of coins. As here it is saying na, how many coins of each type are there. Each type are there means number of coins of 50 paise, 25 paise, 20 paise and 5 paise also. But the number for all will be same. But the number for all will be same. Okay. Let's see here how we will do it. Suppose the bag contain only one coin for each. One coin of 50 paise, one coin of 25 paise, one coin of 20 paise and one coin of 5 paise. Okay. So the
So, sir,
amount,
what
what will be the
value
amount?
will get 40?
What?
Sir, so whatever value we get for X will
Ha,
be
yeah, that
value.
value will be equal to 40. है ना? So that's
Yeah,
why I'm here considering कि suppose the bag is containing only one coin for each type. Okay, one coin for each type. So if it is one coin for 50 paise, then it will be 50 paise. One coin of 25 paise, then it will be 25 paise. One coin of 20 paise, it will be 20 paise. And one coin of 5 paise, it is 5 paise. Now just add it 50 and here 25, 25 and 25, 50 and 50, 100. It's mean it has total 100 paise, right? And this 100 paise is equal to 40 rupees. So here we have to find the value of 1. Okay. Just here we will do the cross multiplication and that's all. So it will be 1 into 40, it is in rupees, divided by 100, it is in paise. So we have to change this rupees in paise also. So it will be 1 into 400 or 1000, sorry, 4000 divided by 100. Cut the zeros. So it will be 40 coins of each type. Okay. It's mean it is 40 coins of 50 paise, 40 coins of 25 paise, 40 coins of 20 paise, and 40 coins of 5 paise. Okay. For verification, you can find the value also. कि when you will, suppose if you have 40 coins of 50 paise, it's mean the total amount is 5 4 20 and then 2 zeros. It mean it you have 20 rupees here. Okay. Similarly, you can do for 25. Okay. 20 and 5 also. Is it clear now? So when you will do for 20, you will get 10 rupees. For 20, it is 8 rupees, and for 5, it will be 2 rupees. So 20, then 30, 38, and do 2, 40 rupees total. Okay. So like this, you have to do it. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want one more question?
I understood.
You understood, na? Now you can solve the questions based on ratio. And Shraddha, please send me the exercise page also for every chapter, okay? From the next time when you will send it, please send me the exercise questions also, so that I can guess the level of the questions, what level it is covering, okay? Is
Okay.
it clear now? Till that, I give the explanation, or we will do the practice. Is it clear? Even we will do one more step, है ना? We will do one more level than the level it is covering. Okay.
Yes.
Suppose it is covering till here, so we will cover one more level above it. Okay, so that you will not lose the marks, or you will not skip any question in the exam. Okay, is it clear now? So please send me the exercise for this, and the next part we will do in the next class. We will start proportion. Okay, in the next class we will start proportion and see the concepts, the tricks based on the proportion. After that we will practice some question based on proportion, and after that we will move towards the mixture and alligation. Is it clear or any doubt? So please
No, sir.
make a note of yesterday's class and today's class also. Fear the questions which we discuss in today's class. Please fear, or please note all these questions in your fair copy also. Okay, so that when you will do the revision in future, you will do at least the practice from each and every pattern. Okay, before the exam. Is it clear? And please send me, and please try the questions by yourself also. And before attending the next class, please do a self revision or the self study of the next topic. Okay? Is it clear? And please send me the photo of your work as soon as possible. Is it clear, Sarada? Or any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for today, that's all.